Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening display settings right away. Right-click the desktop and pick display settings. Once done, make sure you have admin access. Some options require it, so authenticate if prompted. You should identify which monitor you're changing, especially if you use an external display. Note the current resolution like 1920x 1080 before proceeding. This quick check prevents confusion later and lets you compare results. Now move on to the resolution controls in the next panel to make changes. Now scroll to Scale and Layout and focus on two settings, Scale Percentage and Display Resolution. You should normally pick the recommended resolution for sharp text, but you can select a custom value for more screen real estate. Changing scale adjusts UI size versus pixel density. If available, check Advanced Display for refresh rate. Higher HZ improves motion clarity. After selecting, click Apply and then keep changes within the 15-second prompt. Otherwise, Windows will automatically revert, which is useful if a setting breaks the display. Finish by confirming orientation and layout for multiple displays, and open advanced adapter properties for color depth or custom resolutions if you need them. Make sure GPU drivers are up to date. Use Device Manager or the vendor utility to install the latest driver because outdated drivers often cause resolution problems. If the screen goes black after applying a setting, don't panic. Wait the 15 seconds to let Windows auto-revert. If that fails, boot into safe mode to reset display settings or roll back the driver, and then try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.